Time na 1990s po, late 90s, ang uso nun ay blind date.
Oh, wow!
Siyempre, hindi na alam ng mga Gen Z at millennials. Ano yung blind date? Alam mo pa yan. Oh. So, ano yung blind date? Ang blind date po is hindi mo masu-search yung pangalan niya. Wala pong Instagram noon or Facebook or what have you. So, it's totally a blind date, meaning you don't know who you're gonna meet. What a surprise.
I know.
So, it's cute. It's cute. It's the old style of dating. So, a friend of yours will hook you up with someone and just say the name and then you'll be like, gwapo ba yan?
Yeah.
Kasi hindi mo naman masasearch kung ano itsura niya, di ba? Walang ganon. So, talagang with eyes closed, talagang sabi mo lang, oh, sige, game.
Sige na nga.
Oo.
Sige na nga.
So, yun yung mga time-ins na mag-meet kayo sa restaurant. Kailangan sabihin mo na kung ano yung itsura ng damit niya.
Yeah.
At saka ano itsura ng damit ko para magkakilala kami. So, sasabihin niya, for example, oh, I'm gonna be wearing a white shirt with